Hello and welcome to Consumer Times. Ever wondered how companies ensure their products meet exact specifications? The answer lies in metrology, the science of measurement that's quietly revolutionizing industrial competitiveness. From smartphones to spacecraft, discover how precision measurement standards are shaping the future of manufacturing and why they matter more than ever in today's global economy. Join Consumer Times as we explore the fascinating world of metrology and its crucial role in keeping industries competitive. Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times, the invisible force driving industrial excellence in today's hyper-competitive global marketplace. The difference between success and failure often comes down to fractions of millimeters, microseconds, or parts per million. Welcome to the world of metrology, the science of measurement that serves as the invisible backbone of industrial competitiveness. While most consumers never think about measurement standards when purchasing their morning coffee or smartphone, these precise specifications are quietly revolutionizing how companies design, manufacture, and deliver products that meet our increasingly demanding expectations. Before we further go deep into the subject, please do not forget to leave your valuable comments and do not forget to subscribe Consumer Times to motivate us. Please also share this video so that others are also benefited. Metrology standards represent far more than simple ruler measurements or weight comparisons. They encompass a sophisticated ecosystem of internationally recognized protocols that ensure consistency, reliability, and interoperability across global supply chains. When a German automotive part fits perfectly into a Japanese vehicle assembled in Mexico, metrology standards deserve the credit. These standards create a universal language of precision that transcends borders, cultures, and corporate boundaries, enabling seamless collaboration in our interconnected world. The economic impact of robust metrology standards cannot be overstated. According to recent studies, effective measurement infrastructure contributes between 2 to 6% of a nation's gross domestic product. For developing economies, this translates to billions of dollars in additional economic activity, job creation, and improved living standards. Companies that invest in advanced metrology capabilities consistently outperform competitors who rely on outdated or imprecise measurement systems, gaining crucial advantages in quality control, process optimization, and customer satisfaction. Consider the semiconductor industry, where success depends on manufacturing transistors smaller than viruses. Intel, Samsung, and other leading chipmakers invest billions in metrology equipment that can measure features just atoms wide. Without these extraordinary measurement capabilities, the smartphones, laptops, and smart devices that define modern life would be impossible. Every social media post, video call, or GPS navigation relies on manufacturing precision that pushes the absolute limits of human measurement capability. The pharmaceutical sector provides another compelling example of metrology's critical role. Drug manufacturers must demonstrate that their products contain exact amounts of active ingredients, measured to incredible precision. A variation of just a few parts per million can mean the difference between an effective medication and a dangerous one. Metrology standards ensure that a blood pressure medication manufactured in India performs identically to the same drug produced in Ireland or Illinois, protecting patient safety while enabling global pharmaceutical supply chains. Modern metrology extends far beyond traditional physical measurements to encompass digital standards, environmental monitoring, and emerging technologies. Internet of Things devices rely on synchronized timing standards measured in nanoseconds, while renewable energy systems depend on precise electrical measurements to optimize power generation and distribution. Artificial intelligence and machine learning applications require massive datasets with standardized measurement protocols to train algorithms effectively. The competitive advantages of superior metrology capabilities manifest in multiple ways. Companies with advanced measurement systems reduce waste, improve product consistency, and accelerate time to market for new innovations. They can identify potential problems before they become costly failures, optimize manufacturing processes for maximum efficiency, and demonstrate compliance with increasingly stringent regulatory requirements. These operational benefits translate directly into higher profit margins, stronger customer relationships, and sustainable competitive positioning. Emerging technologies are creating unprecedented demands for measurement precision and new types of standards altogether. Quantum computing requires measurement techniques that account for the bizarre behavior of subatomic particles. Biotechnology applications need standards for measuring genetic modifications in biological processes. Climate change mitigation efforts depend on accurate measurement of carbon emissions, renewable energy production, and environmental impact across complex global systems. Looking toward the future, metrology standards will play an increasingly vital role in addressing humanity's greatest challenges. Space exploration requires measurement precision that accounts for the effects of zero gravity and cosmic radiation. Medical devices need biocompatibility standards that ensure safety while enabling revolutionary treatments. Autonomous vehicles depend on sensor fusion technologies that require incredibly precise measurement and standardization across multiple sensing modalities. The democratization of advanced measurement capabilities through digital technologies is creating new opportunities for smaller companies and developing nations to compete effectively with established industry leaders. Cloud-based metrology platforms, portable precision instruments, and standardized measurement protocols are lowering barriers to entry while raising quality expectations across all industries. For consumers, robust metrology standards translate into better products, safer experiences, and greater value for money. When you purchase electronics that work reliably, foods that meet nutritional claims, or vehicles that achieve advertised fuel efficiency, you benefit directly from the invisible infrastructure of measurement standards that made those promises possible. As global competition intensifies and consumer expectations continue rising, metrology standards will become even more critical for industrial success. Companies that embrace measurement excellence position themselves to thrive in an increasingly precise world, while those that ignore these standards risk being left behind in the relentless march toward perfection. Please do not forget to leave your valuable comments and do not forget to subscribe Consumer Times to motivate us. Please also share this video so that others are also benefited. Jaya Hind.